Cybertruck apocalypse defense technology stops the thieves' attempt to break in. The robbers initially attempted to unlock the truck by using a device to unlock the vehicle's encryption. Sentry mode recorded the attempt, in which a man can be seen trying to break into the vehicle by hitting the window glass. The Tesla Cybertruck is equipped with armored glass windows and bulletproof doors. However, when that failed, the would-be thief appeared to have gotten frustrated as he jumped on top of the Cybertruck and seemingly tried to break the vehicle's glass roof. As chance would have it, the Cybertruck's glass held up well against the assault as well. The pickup truck's armor glass windows had been scratched and cracked by a thief. The same was true for the Cybertruck's glass roof, which ended up with a crack due to the incident. Despite these damages, the Cybertruck's armor glass did not shatter.